This is Annie from the QuickBooks team. Payment links allow you to create and share a link with your customers to collect their payment. They work once and will automatically expire after your customer pays you. Note that you will need to have QuickBooks Payments in order to create and use payment links. Let's look how to set one up in QuickBooks Desktop. If you have QuickBooks Online, watch this other video instead. To create a payment link, either select Payment Links or go to Customers and select Payment Links. Then select Create Payment Link. Enter the amount you want your customer to pay and add a description of what they are paying for. Note that your customer will see this description. Select a customer name from the drop-down or add in a new customer. Then add the customer email that you want to send the link to. Choose how you want your customer to pay you. Once everything looks good, select Send Payment Link to send this payment link to your customer via email. You can also copy your link to send it through an alternate email or text message if you prefer. When your customer selects your payment link, they'll go to a page where they can pay you. From here, they can choose their preferred method of payment. And don't worry, they don't need to have a QuickBooks account to pay. Once they pay you, you'll receive a confirmation email. After your customer pays using the link, QuickBooks will add a credit against the customer to show that they paid. Go to Merchant Service Deposit and reconcile the amount paid on the payment links to see them as credits against that customer. You can use these credits while creating an invoice for the customer next time. You can send reminders, view link details, and edit your link if it hasn't been viewed by a customer yet. Now you're ready to get paid quickly anytime, anywhere, by creating a payment link.